Please do sit down. Prananda, a croeso I Gaerdydd. Good afternoon and welcome to Cardiff. Welcome to our 2024 graduation ceremonies. My name is Gareth Powell, and it's my great privilege to be a Pro-Chancellor of this university. Today is a day of much celebration, of enjoyment and thankfulness as we celebrate considerable achievements. And so I want to begin by offering my congratulations to all those of you who will this afternoon be receiving your awards. We celebrate these great achievements for the students in the Cardiff Business School and the School of Social Sciences. Acquiring a university education is no mean feat, and so I commend you not only for securing your place at this university, but also for the dedication, the commitment, and the enthusiasm that you have demonstrated to get you to this point. To the students from the business school, thank you for all that you have contributed to the school and for helping it to deliver public value. Value for the common good, to Wales and to the world. Over your time here, the school has reinforced some key messages throughout your studies. Always remember to have confidence in your abilities and never forget that each and every one of you has the knowledge, the talent, and most importantly, the compassion to be a positive force for change in the world. For you are the generation that truly appreciates interconnectedness between business, the economy, society, and the environment, better than any generation before you. We know that you will make the ethical and responsible leadership decisions that this world desperately needs. We have high hopes for what you can achieve and deliver for future generations. Please also remember the school's encouragement to strike the right balance. Today is about celebrating your success and hard work, and that is important. But life is more important. For you are here today with supporters, with families and friends, so make the most of them. Make the most of good people and be good in return. Students from the School of Social Sciences have, I hope, seen the school focus on you, focusing on a community that is supportive, committed to sharing and celebration. Some of you from the School of Social Sciences were part of the school's first ever dissertation hand-in event to mark a huge milestone in your journey. Around 150 of you celebrated with awards given for things as diverse as the longest dissertation title, I have to say the mind boggles at that, to early bird submission, and the School Dissertation Supervisor of the Year. The School of Social Sciences is proud of the current year final students who reinstated the much admired and much missed Sockseye Student Society, post-COVID, organising a wide range of events. Your contribution to the school has been considerable. For all of the students, while you have been here, you have been taught by world-leading scholars, by some of the most imaginative and creative minds in the planet. And now it is your turn. Your Cardiff qualification tells the world that you are ambitious and passionate and have inquiring minds. and so embark on the next stage of your journey with all the confidence that this brings. Cardiff University will always be your university. So wherever life takes you, we hope you become a flag bearer for this great institution and carry forward our values of kindness, of generosity of spirit, and a search for the benefit of humankind. Stay in touch with us. Come and visit often, if only to make benefit of the endless sunshine. I thought you'd understand the cynicism of that. But above all, share your experience of this university with the wider world. I now have pleasure in inviting Hannah Pierce to read the formal proclamation which will declare this degree congregation open, and then to read a poem written by Gwyneth Lewis, Wales's inaugural national poet, a poem entitled Education, which captures something of all that we do here. Enjoy today and celebrate. Diolch yn fawr.
Education by Gwyneth Lewis. Beiddio feiddio, gwellhad o wneud. Myna geisio, parcha ddweud. Trawsnewidiad fydd dy glod. Dy ddyfodol, mentro bod. Learning's a passport that returns you home a better person. It permits you to dare being daring. Makes you secure with not knowing everything. Helps you welcome some failure. Forges an alloy with others' thinking. It is simple delight in mind and its motions. Scintillates, but isn't deceptive. Admits the joy of institutes is the open road to everywhere but bigotry. It's the shortest distance between you and me, and if you're lucky, it never ends. I will now read the proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad I gwybodau. Boed hysbys i holl aelodau'r Brifysgol ac ar hyd a lled y byd fod cynulliad o Brifysgol Caerdydd yn cael ei gynnal heddiw ym mhrif ddinas Cymru. O dan awdurdod Siarter Frenhinol y Brifysgol, mae'r cynulliad hwn yn cyfarfod i dderbyn y myfyrwyr, sydd yn rhinwedd i hastudiaethau a'i hysgol hectod, wedi'i harholi'n briodol yn unol â statudau'r Brifysgol, ac wedi'i cael yn deilwng o'i graddau. Wrth ddathlu llwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad hwn, fe'i hatgoffwn o'i cyfrifoldeb i gyfrannu o werthoedd y Brifysgol hon. Nod iddynt hwy yw ceisio drwy y cyflawniadau wasanaethu lles pawb, ymdrechu i sicrhau rhagoriaeth ym mhob peth, ac yn boeni am ddyfodol ein byd. Gwrandewch yn awchus ar ddoethineb, gan ei fod yn cynnig gobaith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. Nerth gwlad I gwybodau, a nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today, in the capital city of Wales, a congregation of Cardiff University is taking place. Under the authority of the university's Royal Charter, this congregation meets to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this congregation, and in doing so, remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of this university. It is for them to seek for their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence on all things, and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth, in every generation.
Prynhawn da, I'm Madison, your former Vice President Societies and Volunteering, and thanks to you, I'm now the President of the Students' Union. Cardiff, it's a privilege to address you today, a day in which you will all remember fondly for the rest of your lives. For many of you, today marks an end of an era and the beginning of the next chapter of your life. At the beginning of this journey, many of you would have been faced with the exciting but daunting prospect of moving away from home, whether that be from Pontypridd, Portsmouth or Peru, making new friends and perhaps living independently for the first time. None of these are easy feats, so for that I congratulate you. During your time at Cardiff, you may have had to overcome some challenges. You may have been the first in your family to come to university next, but as you step into the next chapter, carry with you the resilience you've developed and the memories you've cherished. Face the future with confidence, knowing that you're equipped to tackle whatever comes your way. May your care ever be for the good name of our university and the well-being of our world. Congratulations, class of 2024.
Prynhawn da, good afternoon. Thro Wendilana Dwi, I'm Professor Wendilana, and I have the great privilege of being the Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. My job this afternoon is to warmly welcome all the students who are here to receive their award. This is the part of the ceremony, I have to say, my favourite part of the ceremony, where the students' names are read out by a senior member of the university. Do celebrate the achievement of our students as they cross the stage. You may clap, you may cheer, you might even whoop. Once all the students for each award have crossed the stage and returned to their seats, they will be asked to stand. At this point in the ceremony and at other equivalent times, it is a tradition of the university for me to speak in Welsh to receive each group of graduates to their awards. The Welsh phrase I will use translated means, through the authority conferred on me by the university, I receive you to your award with all the privileges this confers. Congratulations. Toi awdurdod o raddwyd y mi gen I brifysgol, dyrbaniach chi y gai i'ch dyfaniad y hofrentinau a ddaw enesgel llongyffaciadau. I'd now like to introduce Professor Rachel Etsworth, the head of the Cardiff Business School, who will present the students for their awards.
I, Professor Rachel Ashworth, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Economic and Social Studies. Jakir Ahmed. Aisha Suleimani. Abdulrahman Ibrahim Omar Salem Al-Gharabi. Ahmed Al-Hashmi. Katie Joanna Allington. Alfie Al-Musawi. Imani Amran. Aishwarya Anand. Charlie Andrews. Ababil Chowdhury Anur. Owen Babington Ellis. William Baker. Will Bannister. Luke Barrett. Rose Beedon. Harry James Benson. Hugo Beresford. Joshua Stephen Birch. Isaac Blatchford Skinner. Morgan Rose Brown. Luke Buffrey. Oliver Butler. Chandler Cash. Francis Castle. Lockhay Cham. Thomas Chamberlain. Se Xian Chen. Asker Thomas Binderup Christensen. Amber Colborne. Aidan Collins. Toby Sam Cook. Leonardo Anthony Crawford. Jamie Ethan Daniel. Vinti Dara. Isabel Davis. Zain Dewani. Ryan Delaney. James Edwards. Felix Ellen. Charlotte Jane Emery. Aaron Ense. William James Evans. Thomas Everson Varley. Mohammed Arise Faisal. Joshua Farah. Leon Ferry. Oliver Fitzpatrick. Aditya Garda. George Garner. Muskan Garba. Molly Gill. Rory Gillis. Sayamara Guzman. Lewis Ham. Alex Hannam. Amy Harwood. Jack Hawkins. Benjamin George Hayes. Maisie Lauren Hayward. Matthew Henley. Charlie Hicks. Freddie Honeyman. George Daniel Howard. Zen Hussain. Nehemiah Louise Jack. Miles Jackson. Dominic Jenkins. George Jones. Jocelyn Jones. Oliver Jones. Vasilios Kanelopoulos. Kan Jing. Emily Kent. Jacob Kidd. Ayush Kushatria. Joshua Langfield. Edward Lagden. It's okay. Carl Laff. Harrison James Howard Lewis. Jenna Lines. Ambrose Loader. Archie McCall. Jay Maheswaron. Stefan Marengi. Revan Marland. Senan Marshall. Aidan Chaco Matthew. Laksh Mathur. James McLean. Finlay McCluskey. Caprice Melifonwu. Oliver James Mitchell. Luke Jasper Moore. Erin Morgan. Zach William Mullen. Jude O'Connor. Dominic Ufi. Jack Baker. Jay Patel. Nina Patel. Georgia Selly. Sachi Patel. Luca Giovanni Sergio Ponzini. Oh no, sorry, wrong one. Thomas James Ratcliffe. Michael Arlen Rice. Lucy Eleanor Richards. James Christopher Boone Rickard. Tom Robson. Guy Roach. Joseph Samuel Owen Rogers. Robert Scott. Dominic Shern. Thomas Simmons. Henry Charles Simpson. Benjamin George Smith. Joel Finley Smith. Shui-Yu Song. Thomas Sowden. Henry Spencer. Matthew Scott Stanley. Oliver Hugo Streets. Avija Suguma. Yang Tan. Samuel Francis Thomas. Scott Thompson. Ben Tinker. Olivia Jane Trunkfield. Edward Turner Ward. Leah Vukovic. Matthew Williamson. Edward Wilmot. Jack Wood. Sebastian James Wooding. Archie James Worrell. Xin Yang Wu. Ye Xiao Xuan. Nicholas Zachariah. An Sheng Xiao. I, Professor Rachel Ashworth, introduce those who've received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Thomas Wynne Absalom. Mohammed Anshanul Alam Azan. Sindia Al Said. Cameron Appleby. Elizabeth Grace Atkinson. Sunny Charlie Singh Bahi. Max Mark Barron. Harini Botsa. Yashvi Bothra. Owen Rees-Brill. Matthew James Bulpin. Al Joshua Levista Bumate. Rhys Canton. Dylan Khan. Caitlin Clara Chambers. Charlie Coleman. Claire Daisy Collins. Jack Cook. Stacey Bates. Charlie Culver. Douglas Owen Davies. Tylo Davies. Lucy Dillon. Xu Yuan Dong. Sam Duckers. Mohammed El Bakbak. Louis Evans. Owain Sean Evans. Joseph George Forrester. James Andre Yap Gamboa. Ellie Louise Garbett. Emma Gedge. William Goodwin. Matthew Rees Griffiths. Rhiannydd Griffiths. Thomas Griffiths. Thomas Grossi. Syra Hamdani. Jessica Harding. Tiffany Harris. Keris Hepworth. Chris Hill Jane. Alexander Carlock Ho. Lucas Hode. Nausheen Hussain, Ryan John Hughes, Naratira Janudin, Harrison Stephen John, Amelia Johnston, Eleanor Harve Jones, Glesney Fleer Jones, Samuel Jones, Rohan Kumar Cadell, Amir Kamaruddin, Dylan Lewis Key, Atul Krishna, Shiv Lakhani, Natasha Zeeman Lim, Jack Long, Sajan Singh Lota, Joshua Morgan Lowry, Benjamin Rees Lupton, Sophia Magson, Amelia Mary Matthews, Thomas McCarthy, Joseph Michael McCormack, Finn McQueen, Mohammed Suleiman Mia, Arisha Shakina Mohammed Narodi, Dina Saraya Mohammed Sule, Kieran Naidu, Keelok Ricky Ng, Katie Maya Ming Chu O'Donoghue, Adrian Stash Olchevsky, Mohammed Al-Blushi, Dalika Parbat, Akash Patel, William Peacey, Sebastian Alexander Ran, Mohammed Rizwan, Rebecca Rogers, Cole Ali Saunders, Adil Sawal, Annika Fion Scholes, George Shuring, Jack Sperry, Chloe Spiller, Rahul Sitharsan, Bethany Tolsha Evans, Byron Truscott Jenkins, Kazim Wasti, Naomi Watkins, Tum Evan Owen Westcott, Leon Rees Wally, Ewan Rees Williams, Wong Sheng Nok, Lily Wood, Thomas Mark Woodall, Joshua Yuan Hongyong, Nur Farah Adiba Sukefli, Phew. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Troi adyrod a raddwyd y mi gen I brifysgol. Dybaniach chi a gael i'ch dyfaniad a hofrentenau a ddaw yn esgel. Clongaffaciadau.
I, Professor Tom Hall, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Arts. James Andrew Addison. Carly Ahmet. Dara Ellen Teonanzin Alcaraz Stapleton. Kira Aston. Lucy Barrett. Griffin Card. Yichia Dong. Emily Sean Dyer. Imogen Daisy Edmonds. Sam Foster. Maddie Jones. Kathy Lee. Seren Manakiza. Khanam Ferdos Mohammed. Rebecca Jane Sankey. Nuri Santiago Jin. Gethin Spencer. Chloe Mai Thomas Evans. Susanna Irene White. Tristan Williams. Harriet Blythe Wynne Thomas. Zichang Yang. I, Professor Tom Hall, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Economic and Social Studies. Jamil Akram. Jade Basra. Hannah Fraser-Brown. Perry Haralambos. Daisy Gabrielle Stevens. Holly Kingswell. John Lee Marchant Dane. Eloise Lucy Mount. Maddie O'Neill. Tilly Owen. Henry George David Stevens. Martha Vesu Devon. Ruksa Zafar. I, Professor Tom Hall, introduce those who have received the degree of Bachelor of Science. Senem Ajalolo. Ebony D. Agard. Sarah Al-Badi. Fahad Al-Shamrani. Maha Al-Zaruni. Splenda Ando. Isabel Mai Bancroft. Jessica Louise Barry. Lily Rose Barry. Poppy Leela Bayer. Maria Begum. Emily Boddy. Keris Boothroyd. Kaylee Bourne. Jennifer Susan Hibbs Bowman. Libby Bradbury. Kitty Brzezinskis. Stephen Derek George Brown. Louisa Buchanan. Jessa Louise Bain. Jasmine Bufton. Eva Bull-Morales. Millie Butler. Yorima Cecilia Cabral Fernandez. Katia Caldera. Lucy Campbell. Maya Cosero. Your turn. Catherine Chapman. Felix Chen. Yo-Yo Cheng Yi Man. George Cheshire. Megan Emma Clark. Evangeline Faith Cleverly. Neve Autumn Clift. Eve Lily Claude. Emilia Kopp. Lara Bethan Cathy Cummings. Sarah Jane Davies. Chloe Davis. Gabriella Davis. Theo Robert Davis. Emma Elizabeth Dixon. Rebecca Dunn Davis. Gwenllian Dowling Griffith. Lias Dunn. Lily Maeve Dyer. Low Eddie. Yes, Mariana Fernandez Souza. Elliot Field. May Fitzgerald. Isabella Foster. Megan Freestone Friett. Daisy Monza Irvin Fussell. Harriette Jane Gillian Gatfield. Emily Jane May Gentle. Maysoon Gasal. Evie Glazier. Gerard Glyn Rivers. Amy Graham. Rosie Alice Graham. Kaylee Ann Gregory. Hewitt Grogono Thomas. Zofia Susanna Grezja. Isabel Hallett. Ruby Hammond. Amy Hargreaves. Megan Harwood. Emily Hawkins. Mia Barbara Helps. Maya Kate Holmes. Hannah Houghton-Brown. Severus Lincoln Howe. Maya Hughes. Rosie Hull. Grace Anna Constance Hunt. Nafiza Ali Hussain. Eleanor Hutchinson. Sarah Rebecca James. Ellie Jenkinson. Evelyn May Jepson. Courtney Johns. Darmjeet Kaur. Morgan Kearsley. Nicholas Aaron Kerr. Ella King. Ethan King. Harvey Lambert. Dulcie Larkin. Rumina Lazzi. Pierre Boyu Lee. Catherine Lau. Constance Kate McLennan. Maria Teodora Marinescu. Amelia Marshall. Holly Mayo. Lloyd Mbakwe. Hermione Ellen Coleman McDougall. Marion McCluskey. Caris Sarah McClem. Brianna Melling. Fahin Mia. Polly Rose Mitchard. Victoria Money. Rebecca Morgan. Tia Morgan Greenwood. Lauren Sophie Moat. Sadie Mullis. Abby Mulvey. Hannah Madeline Murphy. Holly Murphy. Madeline Myhill. Sarah Nashir. Emma Netley Reze. Fiona Kate Newing. William Newton. Melissa Beth Nottage. Erin Oakley. Olivia Oakley. Liat Oberlander. Mary O'Brien. Sophie O'Brien. Ayotola Alopa. Evie Old. Toby Page. Georgia Parker. Josephine Patton. Jessica Perrott. Ellie Pigeon. Evie Paulson. Brandon Powell. Seren Power. Shanae Price. Isabel Price. Catherine Alexia Pritchard. Imogen Pringle. Annabelle Faye Prowse. Lucy Price. Aisha Rahman. Gina Randall. Emma Jasmine Rank. Mireen Reeder. Alexandra Taylor Rice-Smith. Caitlin Richards. Lucy Richards. Lily Ridout. Alicia Ralph. Neve Rohall. Isabella Scollard. Jamie Lee Scotton. Gemma Kate Shaw. Faye Shearling. Ellen Shepherd. Xion Chi. Herbie Schoen. Morgan Simmons. Beth Simpson. Freya Simpson. Abby May Smith. Mia Snare. Maya Spence. Ryan Standen. Holly Stenner. Casey Stewart. Hannah Storsand. Abigail Surnham Dawn. Caitlin Tu. Caitlin Mai Thomas. Fleur Thomas. Holly Thomas. Isabel Thomas. Lauren Thompson. Jodie Shan Thompson. Charlie Louise Tilley. Chloe Lucy Ann Tilling. Daniela Courtney Todd. Callum Tomlinson. Eloise Jane Tyler. Lily Tyler. Marise van der Westerhuizen. Summer Grace Vaughan. Andrew Wainwright. Maya Catherine Walker. Ella Wallace. Leonie Edie Waters. Emily Grace Watkin. Holly Webster. Millie Welch. Juliette Wergen. Alexander Westbrook. Anissa S. Westbury. Elia Wheatley Gallo. Katie Whelan. Lydia Whitaker. Macy Marie Elizabeth White. Chloe Whitworth. Brandon White. Lydia Rose Wiggins. Annabelle Wilkinson. Evie Wilkinson. Kate Williams. Leah Jo Williams. Lily Williams. Molly Nia Williams. Lily Woodward. Morgan Woolley. Ella Mai Worth. Natasha Worthing. Neve Young. Ella Zvartivin. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who've just crossed the stage please stand up? Toi ardurad a raddwyd y mig gen y brifysgol. Dyfyniach chi a gael eich dyfyniad o hofrentiau a ddaw unesgel. Clongoffaciadau. Please be seated.
I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate certificate. Thank you. Mai Chi Liu. Meng Zhu. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the postgraduate diploma. Samuel Bailey. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Arts. Aderonke Olowateyon Adedayo. Sophie Leigh Alford. Olivia Baker. Jessica Bradley. Neve Burville. Caris Ellery Davies. Emily Free. Tom Garrard. Grace Gear. Nia Greenslade. Nathan Gregg. Asha Hassan. Theon Jones. Evan Lane. Melanie Lowbury. Defnet Mbele. Elan Ogilvie. Sian Palmer. Holly Louise Rees. Rita Gaspard. Heidi Stenstrom. Amanda Sullivan. Jessica Worthington. I, Professor Urfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Master of Science. Marco Antunes. Olivia Brown. Brookie Chan. Emily Louise Clark. Georgia Colston. Finlay Crawford. Holly Davies. Lisa Matilda Favreau. Suha Gilani. Madeleine Lucinda Hadley. Megan Hamilton. Zachary Hampton. Lottie Hanscom. Dance Hayday. Michelle Huntley. Manon Fleur James. Caitlin Jones. Anir Jones. Laurette Lard. Brett Allen Lewis. Shu Lee. Cole Matthews. Molly Ellen McChain. Catherine Elizabeth Mee. Ellen Morris. Shauna Pike. Carole Smythe. Alexander James Starling. Emily Stevenson. Stella Thomas. Joshua Wallace. Chloe Lynn Walters. Jiazhu Zhou. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, that's okay. Jiazhu Zhou. Haya Abdul Rahman Abba Hassan. Abdul Rahman Abdullah Al Tamimi. Nabila Binti Azli. Yefan Tao. Anith Chakraborty. Hu Yu Chen. Oliver Crosley. Jingjing Du. Rong Du. Zhan Lu. Zaid El Bazoudi. Rui Juan Gu. Ye Zhu Gu. James Hart. Yuhua Huang. Stephen Aaron James. Ji Tianjing. Janvi Katuria. Sumitra Santosh Kokane. Xiao Miao Pi. Lucas Sadler. Lanre Shodinde. Tian Song. Shen Shu Wang. Ming Yu Wang. Pie Yo Wang. Wu Fei. Run Jie Zhou. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Will all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Twy ardyrod a raddwyd y mi gen y brifysgol. Dyfaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentiau a ddaw yn esgel. Clongfaciadau.
The following students to be presented have achieved a doctoral degree, and in recognition of their achievements and research, they will be presented to the presiding officers, who will doff in return. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Education. Dr. Julia May Holloway. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Health Studies. Dr. Rebecca Parrish. I, Professor Irfan Khalik, introduce those who have received the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. Dr. Faisal Abdul Sattar Al-Balushi. Dr. Fahad Al-Tokhais. Dr. Max Ashton. Dr. Amy Rebecca Bond. Dr. Sarah Cavill. Dr. Bethan Davies. Dr. Jonathan Gilbert. Dr. Miriam Elizabeth Hunt. Dr. Patricia Jimenez Lugo. Dr. Felicity Morris. Dr. Adam Robert Pearce. Dr. Laura Olufemi Shabai. Dr. Lee Sobo Allen. Dr. Monica Iona Thomas. Dr. Faye Vanstone. Dr. Nikki Jones. The Vice-Chancellor will now confer the award.
Would all the students who have just crossed the stage please stand? Trwy awdurod a raddwyd o mi o gan y brifysgol. Dibaniach chi a gael eich dyfaniad a hofrentiau a ddaw yn esgel llongoffaciadau.
We come to the part of the ceremony that celebrates distinguished people for outstanding contributions within their field and to society, to Cardiff, Wales and the world. Today's Honorary Fellow is Jane Sadgrove. Jane, like you all today, will be recognised and rewarded. Her success is part of your day's success. Dyma gyfle I nodi a'n hyn mygedd a'n balchda a'n diolch wrth glyfwyno cymrodoriaeth a graddau anrhydedd. That recognition is given through the award of Honorary Fellowship. Jane Sadgrove is from Neath and was educated at University College Cardiff, now Cardiff University. Her executive career spanned sectors including industrial regeneration, consumer affairs, law, criminal justice and higher education. As a non-executive, Jane held appointments in the Ministry of Justice and the NHS. She served as Cardiff University's Chief Operating Officer from 2014 to 2018, where she had a transformative effect on the university's professional services. Jane is an independent member of Health Education and Improvement Wales and a trustee and vice chair of the board of Cardiff University's Students' Union. Throughout her career, Jane has championed equality, diversity and opportunity. She has campaigned for the real living wage and led 2 large organisations to accreditation. Jane received a Living Wage Champion Award from the Living Wage Foundation and a Lifelong Achievement Award from the Cardiff University students for her services as the institution's Chief Operating Officer. I will now present this distinguished individual who is to be awarded an Honorary Fellowship of Cardiff University. Anrhydeddus Isganhellor, cyflwynach I chi y rai sydd i'w derbyn yn gymrodir i'r anrhydedd Brifysgol Caerdydd. Vice Chancellor, I present to you James Sadgrove to be accepted as Honorary Fellow of Cardiff University.
Troi aderodd o raddwyd y mi gan y Cyngor. Dibaniaf chri fel Cymraeg y Eneridaeth Prifysgol Caerdydd.
Well, this takes me back. Though my graduation ceremonies weren't quite like this 44 years ago. In the 1970s, guess where we graduated? In the sumptuous and elegant surroundings of the Great Hall of the Students' Union. Just magical. Llongyfarchiadau, pawb, congratulations. Today, after all your hard work, you've reached your goal. You're ready to go out and build a career. Well, what was I thinking when I was in your position? I had no real idea of what I wanted to do. My master's research had taken me deep into the religions of ancient Greece, which was obviously why the civil service gave me a job paying grants to manufacturing industry. Though I vividly remember a site visit to a chicken processing plant. I suppose there was ritual sacrifice in ancient Greek religion too. Since then, as you've heard, I've enjoyed my progress up the career ladder in various sectors. But looking back, the things that I really remember are the things that made a difference for other people. And may I talk just about 2 examples? Back in the 1990s, when new to my HR career, I asked the law firm I worked for to give poor but bright school leavers who didn't want to go to university the chance to study while working. Those kids from disadvantaged backgrounds are now practicing solicitors in the West Midlands. That still gives me a real buzz. The real living wage is a bigger example. One of the most important lessons I've learned along my journey is to listen to diverse voices and be willing to re-evaluate, even when those voices challenge the accepted conventions of how the world has to be. In 2016, students from the School of Social Sciences, your predecessors, protested about their cleaners' low wages. I was actually surprised to discover that for every hour they worked, our contracted cleaners were paid less than those on the real living wage. Over a week, that was over £30 to £40 that wasn't in their pocket. And that's because the then accepted business practice was to pay the lowest price possible for these contracts without regard to the human cost. But I had the world-leading research on the living wage from our very own Cardiff Business School, a school that you should be proud to be graduating from. And with their help, I was able to make the case to put this right. And I'm proud to say that this university agreed and became the first university to be a real living wage employer. Did that pay rise make a difference? One cleaner spoke to me and said, "Now I can pay for my daughter to join her class on school trips." That's a difference to a child's education and to a child's future. So, as you go out into the world, I wish you health, happiness and success as you build your own distinctive career in your chosen fields, building on the valuable experiences that you've had at this great university. But as you progress, please also think about how you can make a positive difference to those who you come across along the way. Congratulations once more to you all. Llongyfarchiadau pawb.
Congratulations to all who have received their awards this afternoon, for you are now part of the Cardiff University alumni community. Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists with high-profile roles. Others make a quiet, unassuming, but equally important contribution to communities. Cardiff has given you more than simply a degree. You have been encouraged to ask questions and to challenge conventional wisdom. You've shown willingness, determination, and spirit. And these are the real hallmarks of a Cardiff University graduate. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments such as this. It conveys a deep sense of place, of longing, of love, and of memories. And I hope very much that you will keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University and for this great city. Before we conclude this ceremony, there is one important tradition that we must uphold and one request to make of those of you who have received your award this afternoon. Many of you are supported today by family and friends, and some of those will have been with you from the very beginning of your time as a university student. They will have offered moral support, gentle encouragement, firm encouragement. They will have been the recipients of late-night telephone calls, and I dare say some of them will have dug rather deeply into their pockets. And I hope that for some of you that will continue at least for the celebratory meal this evening. But now I'd like to invite those of you who have received an award to stand, please. And if you could turn in the general direction of where you think your loved ones might be, I'd like you to say thank you to them. Diolch yn fawr. I hope your celebrations continue and your enjoyment of your success transforms all that lies ahead of you. This now concludes our degree ceremony. Diolch yn fawr.
Sleep, dreaming